The human resource frame of leadership focuses on the integration of human needs and organizational requirements. They do this kind of in a way to look at as an organization as a family rather than a bunch of machines running the organization. The goal is to align organization and human needs together. If either side is off, then it won't be an effective organization. They focus on the skills, attitudes, teamwork, and communication. The organization exists to serve the human needs first. And without people, there is no organization. The next part, if I were the leader of my school, the principal, and my hierarchy would kind of look like this. The lower level, I had alumni, parents, cooks, and maintenance. We don't have a real strong alumni program here, so it's never really been a priority. So just through my experience, that's kind of where it fall for me too. Along with parents, cooks and maintenance I struggled with because we have had ineffective cooks and ineffective maintenance. But when we get to the next tier, I kind of explain why I put those at the bottom. Because the next tier, I put custodians. Out of cooks, maintenance, and custodians, we've also had some really ineffective custodians over the past 3 years. And I got to tell you, custodians, because of that, my experience with that, custodians kind of move up to the next tier. Because teachers kind of get tired of cleaning their own bathrooms, cleaning their classrooms, so on and so forth. So custodians kind of has bumped up a level on my list. Office staff, it's kind of the backbone of the school. Very important to have a strong office staff. Along with paraprofessionals, they help out teachers so much. I mean, I'm forever grateful for the paras in our school and how much they help me, providing some of these kids with more one-on-one instruction than maybe what I'm able to. There's nothing better than having a good para in your classroom. And I have learned about a community, and a community that is on board with what the school is doing is huge. You get volunteerism, you get donations, great fundraising. I mean, a community that buys into the school is beyond beneficial. The third level I went with principals and teachers for my third level. Obviously, as a principal, you're the leader of the school. You're the leader of everybody on this tier list that I've mentioned so far, but you are responsible for hiring an effective teacher. You're providing those teachers with a goal or a vision, some leadership, how you envision your school being run. You are entrusting that into them and giving them the tools to do that. Teachers, obviously, I mean, they are one of the most crucial parts of an entire school. I mean, they are what gets to the students. They are the ones that help them. They're the ones that stay late. They're the ones that grade their papers. They're the ones that teach them. They're the ones that, I mean, you name it, that's what a teacher does. Which leads me to my last tier, which would be students. Every single person on this hierarchy list is there to serve, and to help, not necessarily serve, but to help the students. So whether it's the principal, whether it's custodians or maintenance or even the community, they're here in the school to help the students. So that's why students would be the top tier on my list, because as an educator, my top priority are students. Again, principal, he's the top dog of the school, but at the same time, he's here to make sure the students succeed. And that's why I decided to put students at the top of that list. Thank you.